Hello everyone, welcome back to CAD-CAM. In this tutorial, we are going to make packaging machine sealing jaw. This type of jaw we are using in FMCG industry to pack the product. So let's begin. And this part 2D drawing you will find on my blog page. So please check out. So let's begin. So we will start with the front plane. First we will sketch the drawing here. So select the line. Draw one line here. So this length we will keep 32 mm. Okay. Now select the center point and make relation constant. Okay. Now select the line. So we will draw a sketch here. Now dimension 7 mm, 6 mm, and this angle 2 to 1. Okay, 10 mm, and this length will keep 10 mm. Okay, now select your center line, draw one line here. Now select your dimension, and here to here we will keep 2.06. Okay, so now select a mirror. So mirror entity, select this line, this line, this line, and this line, and this line. So here mirror about, we will select the center line. Okay. Now select here extrude boss base and select this sketch, and we will extrude up to 200 mm. Okay. So now select here front plane and select here reference plane. So make plane up to 100 mm here. Okay. So select this plane, sketch, and make it normal. Now draw one corner rectangle here. Here to here. Like this. So this make 8 mm. Okay. And press this point here, constant. Now is better. Okay. So select here extrude boss base, and here 120 mm, and the other direction also 120 mm. Okay. Let's hide this one. Now select this face, sketch, and normal. Now we'll make teeth here. So select your line. So draw one sketch here. Okay. Then dimension here to here, make 2 mm, and this length will make 1.6. Okay. Now select the center point, press Ctrl, and this point make vertical. Okay. So now select a linear pattern. So select this sketch, 1.6 set, and make 6. Okay. Now select a mirror entity. This one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and mirror about. Select here right plane. Okay. So now select here extrude boss base and reverse direction 200 mm. For example, here to here length is 200. So okay. Let's select a fillet and this angle 0.1. This one also. This one. Let's delete this one. This edge, and this edge. This one. This side also. This one and this one, and okay. So now select this face, sketch and normal. Now we'll cut here hole for thermocouple. So now select a center line and draw one center line here. So select the dimension and here to here make 13 mm. Now draw one circle here from the center point. So this circle dia will keep 11 mm. Okay. Mirror about sketch. Right plane. Okay. Now select here extrude cut and select it through all. Direction 2 also through all. Let's see. Okay. Is okay. Now select this face, sketch and normal. Now we will make hole here to hold the cutter. So select a center line. Okay. Horizontal. Okay. So dimension here to here 5 mm. Okay. Now select the circle, draw one circle here. So this circle dia will keep 5 mm and here to here make 25. Okay. Now select here linear pattern and select the circle 25 mm, sorry 50 mm and 4. Okay. So now select here extrude cut and select here 10 mm. Let's see. Okay. Okay. So now now we will cut thread here. So select here hollow wizard thread and select the circle. Select the offset, reverse direction, and here select 15 mm. Okay. Metric tab M5 cut thread. Okay, now it's perfect. Select this circle also. Thread offset 15. Okay, let's okay, this one also. Offset reverse direction. Okay, so now we will cut hole here to hold the jaw. So for that, select this page, sketch and normal. So select here circle, draw one circle here, the center point, and the dimension here to here make 10 mm, and circle dia make also 10 mm. Okay, and here to here 15 mm. Okay, this side also center line. So okay, and here to here make 10 mm, then circle, draw one circle in center point, this side also 10 mm. Okay, now extrude cut and throw all. Okay, so now we'll make one hole here for thermocouple. Now we'll cut here one hole for the thermocouple. So draw one hole here. So this dia also will keep 2 mm, and here to here make 12 mm, here to here 2 mm. Okay, now select your extrude cut and 50 mm, make 100 mm. Okay, okay, it's perfect. Now select this face, sketch and normal. So we will draw one more hole here. So we will cut here thread to hold the heater. So the dimension 3, and here to here make 4 mm. Okay, and extrude cut make 5 mm. Okay, so it's perfect here also. So select circle. Okay, now select the smart dimension. Now I will keep 1.5. Here to here make 12 mm, and here to here 4 is okay. Okay, 4. Okay, now select here extrude cut. Reverse direction also. Okay, okay, now select the circle. We'll cut your thread. So thread, M3, matic tab. Okay. So now we will cut thread here. So for thread, select your hollow wizard, thread location, select the circle. Okay. Here offset, switch direction. Okay. (1.6) matic tab. Okay. Let's edit this one. Mm. Okay. Okay. So now we will cut thread also in this side. So select this face, sketch and normal. So draw one circle here. Okay. And the dimension here to here, make 3 mm, and here to here, this is here to here, 4 mm, and the circle dia will keep 3 mm. Okay, then extrude cut. Is it okay? Okay. So now here also we will cut thread. So select this circle, select it, hollow wizard, thread. So select here M3, offset, reverse direction, and select here 4 mm. Okay. Perfect. So our jaw is ready. Now we will define some material. So select your appearance, metal and cast lead. Okay. So our ceiling jaw is ready. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel for more video. Thanks for watching.